stream. Thanks for watching. Start streaming.
Would I minimize it?
Camel's active.
What?
Same story here.
Talking to Scott.
What?
I'll fix it.
What?
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 How the
What?
frick can they see me on the
What?
roof with a gun?
What?
How the stupid ass
What?
crap. What?
What?
Hold on.
What?
Hang on. I gotta minimize. Watch Dogs. Play.
I got your back door, bitch.
Yeah, you do. He's a backdoor Sally.
Are you serious, dude?
I'm serious. You're a backdoor Sally.
No, not you, this dude.
No, but I am. Just in
Yeah,
case
I'm
you're
driving like a
wondering.
madman, that's it.
Oh, I gotta put up
Hey, what the fuck, man?
Scottina's avatar here. Ba, 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 ba. There he is.
Papa Booey?
Baba Booey. Start streaming.
Papa Booey. Papa Booey.
Fa fa fooey. Fla fla flowy. So where am I going in here? Aiden Pierce?
Sure.
I don't care what you do with him.
You got an invite for me there, Punky Brewster?
You finish hacking this dude and you'll get one.
Let me finish putting in
That's
the
what she
back
said?
door. I'm just about done with his back door, and I'll get you.
Oh, I got his back door.
You got it. I got his back door. Is there anybody in there?
Holy crap, this car sucks.
Your butthole is so large. Is there anybody home? Oh, I can already tell I'm gonna be racing like a shithead. I'm gonna race in this pickup, y'all. Why are you showing? Oh, there we go. I'm like, it's in reverse. Why you keep calling me, Mom? Oh no, 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 no! Don't go in the water. Shit.
Want to rethink your answer?
Wait.
That sucked.
The auction. He'll be at Quinn's auction.
What kind of auction?
Private. Not your normal kind of auction.
We will rebuild him.
So get me an invite.
Who do you think I am?
All right.
I just knocked my mirror off.
Boom!
Boom!
Oh, you
T-bone.
can climb mountains now. Did he say T-bone out? Ah, this dude, Aiden Pierce spends more time on a phone than a girl.
Yeah, bedbugs on board.
Yeah,
Give me a
bedbug.
call.
Don't let the big bugs
Let's
bite.
talk about the access card Iraq was wearing.
Don't let
That's
the
on the
bed
way
bugs
to his
bite.
It's an RFID tag.
Get it?
We can clone it, but
It's
you
a
need to
joke.
get very close.
Bedbug says Iraq's attending an auction.
Can I have your ice skate car, please? Watch this.
Auction, yeah. Remember that briefcase Iraq had?
Hard to forget. Crush the dice.
I put rollerblades that swivel on my
It has
car.
the guest list inside. You can pay me now because I've been checking that case. Now let me check.
That was quick. If we get that
Oh, we're
briefcase,
slamming it.
You find me a name on the guest list. Name I can
Hello.
I'm sending the
Hello.
briefcase location now.
Seriously though, these cars drive like there's rollerblades with swivels on them. Watch this. Bam! Invite yet? Wrecking the shit out of this car. Nobody back there. My car's steaming with a bumper falling up. Ooh, hello.
So we doing co-op?
What? This dude's talking Spanish here? No, get out of the car.
Whee! I just freaking drove over a car.
I can break
That's
it
awesome.
down, break it down. Nice. What is this, an El Camino?
Just don't go into bad blood so we can do
I can
the
break it down, break it,
co-op
break it
unless Scott wants to do.
Yeah, Scott's playing.
What am I doing here?
We need someone to beat. If I play with you, it's just you winning. Break it down,
So you just
break
want
it
me to
down.
play so so I can lose.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Is
So
what
I
you're
can,
saying.
No, not so you can lose, so I can win. You're not listening.
Okay. So where am I going?
Just kidding.
Quit the main menu.
I don't know.
Ote.
Where are we going? Oh, loving
What do you
this
say?
car.
Bad blood?
No,
No.
Bad Blood is only co-op or single player.
Oh.
I think.
What? What? Do you want fries with that? Send an invite yet? I
Not
can
yet.
break it down,
Checking
break
something out.
it down. Stop checking out the guys. Break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down. I can break it down, break it down. Oh, there's a cool picture. That is a really cool picture, actually. Alright, so my question is, can you break it down? That's a cool screenshot. World Trade Center.
Not in Chicago.
Yeah. It's the new Chicago. What happened to my freaking my browser?
What happens if you break it down? Break it down?
Yeah, my browser just died.
'Cause your computer sucks.
Restore. Probably does. I can break it down, break it down. Good job. Good job, everybody. Resume.
So we're gonna do encryption or racing.
Invite. Pick one. Encryption. Ooh, encryption.
Great.
I haven't beat your asses in a long time in that.
It's because you just like beating ass.
Oh, do you want to do racing and come in third? And watch Marcel come in first?
Oh shit. Oh shit. That sucked.
You must be in the rollerblade car that I was in.
No, I'm in the wannabe Mustang.
Invite. How long does it take to send an invite? What are you, crafting
I'm
it?
trying to. How do you do it again?
Hold on. Let me go to my dictionary. I gotta write down invite. I gotta find a stamp. Put it in the envelope. Put a stamp on it. And then mail it. And you should get it in 3 to 5
Never
days.
mind.
And then, so, if I invite you now, maybe we can play on Friday.
Bitch.
Oh, no. Hold on. Don't have any stamps. I'm going to sprint my guy over to the postal office. The CVS. Buy some stamps. Oh, wow. That was quick. Oh, there's a portal. There's a portal. I can break it down, break it down. I can break it down. What do you have to hit? Oh, there it is. Where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Echo.
Nope. Muted all you.
Gecko.
Echo.
Hold on. Settle down.
Echo.
Shh.
Echo.
Shut up. All right. there we
Echo.
go.
Echo, echo.
Echo.
There's no echo. Shut up.
Echo.
There's no echo.
Echo. Echo.
Wait, are you saying ego? Or
Lego
my
my
ego.
ego.
Lego my echo. Where are you, freaking idiots? No,
Waiting
that's
for
not
them.
the run. I can break it down, break it down. There's the
Teleporting.
map.
I didn't know it was teleporting. What are we playing? Star Trek?
That's how Marcel cheats.
Am I playing Star Trek?
And teleporting. Put the gun away, you stupid idiot.
Watch out, he's got a gun.
Yeah.
Watch out, he's got a gun.
What game starts you with a gun, you know?
This one.
The best.
The best game ever.
Well, it sucked to play a war game and not have a gun.
Oh, you
Good
bitch.
night, motherfucker. Good night, motherfucker. Good night, good night, good night.
A gun. He has a gun.
He's got a gun. Okay, I'll get him for you.
He's got gun.
I'll get him.
Oh man.
How are you stealing it so fast?
That sucked.
Got him. He's down. Bitch.
Where's the file?
Who do you think has it?
Ah, who gave him the file?
He stole it from
You?
you.
Oh. Alright, I'm taking this taxi. Taxi. Oh, this one's got rollerblades on it too. Oh, I can't get through there.
I am losing the file.
Yeah, you are. In a second, you are.
Oh, I didn't realize it was going out of the...
Can't drive freaking straight at all.
Oh, you dick. Who killed me?
I did.
Oh,
Obvious.
you did.
Yeah. Who
Son
else
of
would do it?
a bitch. Of course, he's going to spawn me where? On the other side of the city? That would be a big yes or
Oh,
no.
this car sucks.
Oh. Ford Fusion. Here
Screw
we
you,
go.
little bitch. Little slut. Sack of
Yeah,
shit.
wait, people.
Asshole.
Move it or lose
Alright, spawn me for Christ's sake. Hey, Ghost Girl. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ted's a freaking cheater.
I'm not a cheater. You're a cheater.
Boom!
Oh, you little peckerhead. Ah, didn't kill me.
Oh shit. Dead end.
Oh yeah, I gotta remember to freaking turn off the music, because the freaking bastards won't put it up on Twitch. Or Hitbox. Or no, I'm sorry, YouTube.
Will you sit still?
Shit.
Nice. Object is to come towards us, not away from us.
Jesus, I can't get anywhere near you. Oh great, I'm in the freaking Yugo. 2 miles an hour.
You know what a digital trip is?
I don't. Please tell me what it is.
You know what the fuck the big one is?
Move, please. Thank you.
You're just going around in freaking circles. Oh, you're not on the freaking highway. Fuckhead.
This is horrible. Son of a bitch. I hate this car.
You're going the wrong way.
Sorry, guy. You'll be alright. I'll call 911. A little cocksuckers over the bridge.
That was good.
Hey, I like that. Excuse me. Pardon me.
Oh!
We're out of range too, buddy. He's just taking that freaking file to
I
the
know.
bank.
I just had no way of catching him, so
Oh.
I figured I'd fuck with you. He's probably just sitting parked somewhere.
No.
No, I just took it. Almost had it.
Oh, someone was... Dick.
Shit.
Oh my god, that actually hurt.
Don't go out of range. Watch out. You're out of range. You suck. I aimed right for you. Don't pat yourself on the back too hard. He just glitched through the freaking curb. Like a portal. Hello, is everybody okay up here? Hello. Oh wow, I'm off the map.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I
You're in
am.
the building.
I can't get out of the building though.
Oh yeah, you sure are.
I'm trapped in the map.
Funny.
What do I do? They won't let me out. I don't think I'm gonna like this gun.